Education took us from thumbs to signatures. And then came technology, which again brought us to thumbs. Right? Today we all have our technical gadget in our hand all the time. That is mobile phones. Hey guys, कैसे हो आप सब? This is Amay here and you're watching Tech Panda. Welcome to a freshly brewed series of Tech Talks. In this series, we have multiple influencers, models, actors coming up on our channel. So let's check out how well do they know their mobile phones. In today's episode, we have with us a fashion model, a complete nerd, passionate reader, and also a writer. Let's welcome Tanya Varke.
Thank you for having me here.
Okay, so straightly driving you into the question. First question I would like to ask you is, tell us what phone do you use?
Okay, I'm using MI's Redmi Note 7 Pro.
Okay, so can you tell us its specifications?
This phone is really good actually.
But can you tell us how many cameras does it have?
Well, it has 3 cameras.
Oh, good counting.
Yeah.
Okay, so now tell us, what do you think is the best mobile phone company?
I think MI is the best, but I'm looking at the situation right now. It's a Chinese mobile, so I'd like to go with OnePlus as its performance is really good, and I like that brand a lot.
But that's also Chinese.
Oh, I did not know that.
Okay, so coming to the next question, can you show us your home screen wallpaper?
Yeah, sure. It's Krishna's wallpaper.
Okay.
So I kept it because whenever I'm low and all, it gives me a really positive vibe. So that's why.
That's really positive and optimistic of you. So, tell us, who's the person you call the most?
I call my college friend a lot. Her name is Mrinal. We are all the time together, and like we cannot enter the college with each other, So that's why every time. Also, we hang out a lot. So yeah, she's Mrinal.
Tell us, what is your most used emoticon?
My most used emoticon will be that where you do that.
Okay.
I use that in every conversation, and then I have that laughing emoji and a very innocent one with tears in that eyes to make someone do the work that I want. So yeah.
Understood. Okay, so now, as you are an Instagram influencer, a fashion blogger, Instagram as your primary base, you must be stalking few accounts, like few persons, personalities, celebrities.
Definitely.
So,
Yeah.
who is that person you stalk the most?
I stalk Andy Samberg a lot. He is the character from Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and I'm literally so like him, so I just keep stalking him. So yeah, it would be Andy Samberg.
If you want to convey a message to him, what it would be?
Well, it would be that I would like to tell him how funny he is. Like every dialogue that he says utters from his mouth is funny. So yeah, I'm a big fan of him.
Oh yeah, big shout out to him.
Yes.
Okay, so now coming to next question, tell us how many pictures and videos do you have in your cell phone?
I have a lot of images, but I do not have much videos in my mobile. So it would be approximately 5,000 photos in my gallery, and I have only 71 videos in my mobile. I do not keep much videos. I just have a lot of photos.
Okay, so can you show us your most embarrassing picture?
Okay. So this one time I went Amboli with my on a family trip. I was there. So the weather was really cold. Really you cannot bear that cold. It was so cold, and I was wearing like 4-5 layers of clothes, and I was also wearing the sweater I had, like jacket, and we had that hoodie kind of thing. So that I was wearing that too, and it was so cold. I could not even sit there. So
You're shivering.
The photo.
That's
I was
great.
like this, and my brother was taking, literally he was taking 10 bursting on me, the camera. And they all were like, what are you doing? How are you sitting like that and all?
Okay. So now the time is. What is the last picture you took?
Okay. The last picture I took was 2-3 days ago when I had an online shoot.
Okay, online
So,
shoot.
it was a online makeup shoot. She guided me through through my makeup, and then I shot these pictures. Yes.
Oh, that's really creative. Like due to this
Yeah,
pandemic
thank you.
situation, using electronic medium for shooting purposes, that's really great.
Also,
So,
this was my first experience shooting online, so yeah, it was really good.
good. So now, coming to the next question, just tell us, like your Instagram pictures, your Instagram feed, it's amazing. So now, I have a question for you. Like, what are the applications you use to edit your pictures? What is your
Yeah.
secret to best Instagram pictures feed?
I mostly use Lightroom and Pixar.
So now I would ask you to share a picture with a memory attached to that picture.
Yes. So it was my first year.
Mhm.
Like I cannot forget that day because it was my first outing with my college friends. So it was my first year, and we all of a sudden we decided to go Siddhivinayak, Haji Ali, and all the temples in Mumbai side. So we took off from our home at 6 or 7 a.m. and we went to Siddhivinayak, Haji Ali, and there was one more temple. I do not remember that. So
Okay.
this was my group photo.
Oh,
So we were 6 people, and then after all the darshan and all, we went to Marine Drive like around 7 or 8 o'clock, and we literally we laid there and we were talking about life stuff and all. So yeah, it was really memorable.
oh, that's really great. So it brings me to my next question. If you have to uninstall an application right now, which application it would be?
It would be Twitter because I really do not relate myself much with Twitter, and the kind of content I post right now does not go with much with the content that is on Twitter and on Instagram. It's really two different things. So yeah, it would be Twitter.
Okay. So now, can you call someone that person is not going to pick up in the first go? कभी आपका फोन नहीं उठाता that person. Call him or her
Okay,
right
that
now.
would be. Yeah, it would be definitely Mrinal because she never picks up in the first go when it's time for college. When I need her so desperately, she never picks it up. So I'll just call her right now. We'll see.
Okay. नहीं उठा.
हेलो हेलो ओ तेरे को उठाना नहीं था बट उठा लिया यू नेवर पिक अप विद द फर्स्ट गो आ गया हाँ अरे अरे एक्चुअली आई एम ऑन दिस यूट्यूब चैनल तो मैं शूट कर रही थी सो दे आस्क्ड मी who is the person who never picks up in the first go. So I said that would be definitely Mrinal. So I tried calling you and you picked it up. Yeah. Basically, it's lockdown. That's why I picked up. Yeah. Like so usually I don't pick up. She admits it.
Okay.
Yeah. Chalo. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Okay. So this brings me to my last question. Are you a phone addict?
Not really, because I usually take my phone, like when it's in my hand, I really don't keep it back again. But once I've kept it, then I don't know where it is and what. So, no, I'm not a phone addict.
Okay. I would like to express my gratitude for joining with us on this show. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for inviting me on your show. And I really loved everything. Like, I really enjoyed it a lot. Also, please subscribe to Tech Panda's channel.
और हाँ, घंटी बजाना मत भूलना।